Welcome back to TV5 News at 9. It is time now for Legally Speaking. We love this with Carol Thomas. Attorney Thomas, thank you so much for joining us today. How are you?
I'm great, Colette. Thank you very much for having me back. I always enjoy doing these segments with you.
Oh, we love it when you're here. Thank you so much. So today we are talking about elder law, estate planning, and trust. Now, Attorney Thomas, you are here to tell us about a hot event that is so popular. Viewers, you do not want to miss this. Where and when is your next seminar, and what topics are you covering, Attorney Thomas?
My next seminar is going to be Wednesday, September 22nd at the Horizons Conference Center in Saginaw Township. I have sessions at 10 o'clock and 5 o'clock. And Colette, I've been doing seminars at the Horizons Center for over 20 years. Wow. And they always fill the capacity. I love doing them because there's so much information that people need to know, and they're not really aware of what they don't know, what is important for anyone over the age of 60 to start learning.
Right, and Attorney Thomas, they are so popular and they fill up quickly. So why do you think that is, Attorney Thomas?
Well, I think it's because often wives will come without their husbands because they don't want to come, and then they come back next time with their husband. I think people are pleasantly surprised at how informative they are, but at a level that we can all understand. I try not to make it too serious. I try to tell a lot of stories to keep it somewhat lighthearted, but it's a serious topic. Yes. I always want people to think that if your spouse has been diagnosed with dementia, or your parent or your spouse could suddenly have a stroke and be in long-term care, are you prepared? Are you prepared to pay $10,000 a month? And obviously most people can't afford that, and I'm able to help get assets protected. And that's what I've also been doing for over 20 years. So I'm just thrilled. It's word of mouth. We haven't even done any advertising, and we already have one of the sessions almost filled to capacity, just because people always call my office, when is your next seminar?
Wow. Attorney Thomas, why would you say someone really needs to attend one of your seminars?
I think anyone over the age of 60 needs to attend, because often I will have children say to me, I will never put my parent in a nursing home. And it's not in anyone's plans, but medical situations can arise where you just cannot care for someone at home. And I think it's important for people to start learning the difference between assisted living, memory care, nursing homes. What do they cost? People work so hard to save for retirement, and in a blink of an eye, their assets can be lost through the high cost of a nursing home, but we can protect that. And I love to explain to people how we can do it, but of course it's extremely important they get documents done ahead of time. It breaks my heart if someone comes to see me, Dad just went into a nursing home. Well, he never did any documents because he never thought this would happen to him. How old is Dad? He's 98. I mean, I don't know what people are waiting for.
Right, these are all topics that we all really need more information on. Need to get to one of your seminars. Now, after your seminars, you always hear a lot of comments. So what are people saying that are attending your seminars, Attorney Thomas?
The number one people say, especially if they come and then they see me afterwards because they want a one-on-one discussion with me, is they had no idea what they didn't know. This is not an easy topic. Very few lawyers in the state of Michigan actually do the nursing home protection, and maybe they saw another attorney for basic estate planning, but the elder law, which really deals with incapacity issues before someone dies, is often not covered. A lot of estate planning lawyers still deal with what happens the day I die. They don't deal with what happens if I'm in long-term care before I die. And that's really the thrust of our practice here is elder law. It's what if something happens before you die.
Is there anything else that you feel that someone should know about the importance of attending one of your seminars?
I just say give it a try. I mean, people come and they're amazed, and again, 20 years and they always fill up. That tells us something that people really enjoy coming, and I love presenting. I'm a former teacher, Colette, and I think a little bit of it comes out in my seminars.
We can tell, and I know it's so wonderful. People always comment also about your wonderful, delicious treats that you have as well for those attending.
They're great treats, although I do not prepare them myself. I will have to put in that disclaimer.
Well, that is a nice thing to come and enjoy. Well, thank you again, Attorney Thomas. We appreciate you calling in and giving us this valuable information. We do not need to procrastinate. We need to get this information, attend Attorney Thomas's seminar. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you very, very much, Colette. Always nice talking to you.
You as well. Thank you so much. If you at home want more information, just head on over to the hot link section. That's at WNEM.com.